SlackRoBATS. We got a new variation for SlackHack here. This one's called roaming SlackHack. You're gonna start with a hacky sack or a juggling ball. Start close to the anchor point. You're gonna come up for progression 1. You're gonna bounce it off the knee and catch the ball. Whew. All right, you're gonna do that 3 times on each side. Take a step, do the other side. All right, that's progression 1. Try to get it consecutively 3 times. If you want to push yourself, do it 5 times in a row. Push yourself, raise the number. It's up to you. Now progression 2. Still close to the anchor point here. You're gonna do the same thing, except for on the foot. And here we're gonna turn the foot sideways. It's like hacky sack. 3 tosses, 3 catches each side. Take a step, other side. Ooh. Fall down, get back up, that's the way it goes. Goal again 3 times consecutively without falling though. See if I can get it real quick. Ha! Huh! Huh! All right, so now we're gonna put those 2 together, but we're gonna roam across the slack line. So here we're gonna go knee, foot, catch, take a step. Knee, foot, catch, take a step. Looks a little something like this. Take a step. Roaming SlackHack. Take a step. So I'm calming myself down, breathing in between these steps. Take as long as you need. Ooh, a little trick there to the shoulder, see that? Take a step after that. Take a step till you make it all the way across the line. That's the goal here, roaming SlackHack. Have fun with this one. Well, that's how it goes sometimes. Keep practicing until you get it all the way across the line. Turn around, make your way back. Roaming SlackHack. Peace.